Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifest with Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio Rampage email is down below. And my YouTube membership, where I have more exclusive manifestation content and we go live together and we have so much fun over there. You can subscribe, link below. And my Master Manifestation Workshop with programs, ebooks, workshops, boot camps to get your desires that thousands of people are using and manifesting your dream lives is linked below. And today we're going to be doing a revision rampage to revise your reality. If you don't know what revision is, I have a video on it. So this is just a rampage to help you guys with revising. You have revised that event. It is already done. It went exactly the way you want it to go. The way that you want it to go is the way that it is now. You have already decided it is already done. You have changed your past. It is no longer the way you thought it was. It is no longer an unfavorable circumstance. It went exactly the way you want it to go. Everything was going smoothly, and now your reality is operating with the new revision. Your reality is matching exactly what you revised. The situation is done. The situation worked out in your favor. Everything always works out in your favor. Everything always goes your way. You are powerful enough. You are so good at revision. You revise instantly and it is done. The confirmation is already shown to you. You always get the revision. You revise your reality so well. Your reality is always revised. Your reality changes literally overnight. The second you revise is the second that it's done. It is already done. It is already in your favor. It already went your way. You already won. You are the winner. You are the prize. What you say goes. You are the operant power of your reality. Everybody in the situation remembers the reality as the way that you revised it. It is all going smoothly. You can now focus on exactly what you want to manifest, knowing that everything went your way. You are calm, you are secure, you are confident that everything went your way. You are calm, secure, and confident that your revision worked. You have revised your reality. You are in the brand new reality with the revision already done. Your revision is already done. You have decided that your revision is done. You have decided that you jump timelines into the revised reality. You are in your perfect reality. You are in your dream reality. You are living your dream life. You always get exactly what you want. Your manifestations manifest so fast. You manifest at lightning speed. Your revisions happen at lightning speed. Everything has changed. You wake up every day knowing you're in the brand new reality. You are only ever in your brand new reality. You love your brand new reality. You love your revised reality. You love that everything always works out for you. You love that everything goes your way. You are number one. You are the captain of your reality. You are the decider of your reality. You are the one who decides for your reality. You are the one who decides that things go your way. Everything must go your way. You are the ultimate decider. Everything goes your way right now. Everything is already done. Everything is already done in your favor. Everything goes your way. People reflect your revisions. Your reality reflects your revisions. Your circumstances reflect your revisions. Everything reflects your revisions. You reflect your revisions. You move through your reality knowing that your reality is revised. You move through your reality knowing that you quantum jumped into the revised reality. You move through your reality knowing that reality is exactly the way that you want it. Reality is always the way that you want it. It is never not the way that you want it. It is never going backwards. It's only going forwards. You are only manifesting your greatness. You continue to level up and level up and level up, and there are no problems. There's no past that is affecting your manifestations. There's no past that you have to be afraid of. There's no past that you're running from. It is all in your favor right now. Right now, you have it all. Right now, it's going your way. Right now, you are the operant power of your reality. Congratulations on being the operant power of your reality. You deserve it. You are it. You get exactly what you want over and over all the time. You always get what you want. Everything always goes your way. Everything always works in your favor. You are the operant power of your reality. You are the goddess. You are the god of your reality. You are able to move mountains with your mind. Your mind is so powerful. Anything you see, anything you want, anything you desire, your reality reflects all the time, instantly, over and over and over. You are so happy that you revised. Congratulations on revising. How did you revise your reality so easily and so fast? It is all done for you. You got it in the bag. There's nothing you have to worry about. Your reality is revised and it's there to stay. The revised version of your reality is there to stay. The revised version of your reality is stuck. It is stuck as the revised version of your reality. The only reality that exists for you is the one that you revised. So be there and be secure, knowing that you secured your revised reality, and that's the reality that you're living in right now. For more amazing rampages like this, self-concept rampages, SP rampages, and meditations and sleep tapes, money, you can get them and cop them on the manifestation workshop linked in my description. And I have a playlist on YouTube for more rampages. And that is all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.